There we go. Good morning. Welcome to the live streams again on Luke Trades London. Let's see what we can get. Open up the Zoom in a second. Man like Frank and Master P.
Yo, yo. That was
Yo.
close.
What was close?
The timing.
Morning.
Oh yeah.
Right on the dot.
Just after the dot.
That was 7:30.
Oh yeah. True. Like we can see when the Zoom link got sent in. Yeah, 7:30 on the dot. There we go.
How you doing, guys?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad. How about you?
Yeah, good. How was the flight? How was the stream?
Flight was pretty good actually. Arrived earlier than planned, so I was happy about that.
Nice. And do you need any tests and then, like anything to travel?
Oh yeah, just a PCR test. They actually changed the rules. It was like beforehand you needed 2 tests. Now it's just 1.
Okay. And do they check it or they don't even care?
Yeah, they do check it somewhat.
In the Netherlands, they didn't, right?
No, they didn't in the Netherlands.
They're like, fuck it. I getting shit.
But that's quite expensive because you like what, 150 for that test?
Depends. In Italy it was like $50, but here in the Netherlands it's a little bit more.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah, still, I mean, if you like, you have to pay the flight, you have to pay the test.
Yeah, it's a hassle. There was this couple who were vaccinated and they did a rapid test and they couldn't leave because the test wasn't a PCR. They're like, but bro, we're vaccinated. The test is negative. Just let us, we can go home. And the lady's like, no, PCR test only.
Bro, look at the setup on the 4-hour on goal. Insane.
Yeah, that was pretty nice. But I think it happened quite choppy. Like I tried to see possible entries, but everything would have been stopped out, like the runner at break even. It's pretty
in New York it closed somewhat, right? And then when was this again? That was right here the move started to happen, right? And this candle opened, a new 1-hour candle, and a new, I think that's a new 4-hour candle. So yeah, new 4-hour candle. They're going up, down, and the first went up, and everyone got caught in the buys. There were like 15 pips in drawdown.
Oh damn!
And I was like, I'm tired. I got 5 hours of chart work right now. And I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna f around with this, you know.
Yeah.
And then it shot up like 30 pips in 2 minutes.
Yeah, true. I saw on the minute chart. Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
But that was NYC, no? Like that big push, pretty much.
30 minutes before NYSE.
But yeah, it was pretty funny.
Yeah, I was looking for that since like pre-London.
If we get a new 15-minute or 30-minute close on gold that is bullish, then I'll be looking to take buys to retest the highs right here. But the 30-minute and 15-minute just closed bearish. So let's see. Pretty much at this support. Yeah, I was looking at it too, and I was like, yeah. I was expecting that to happen the entire morning since London already, like for that 4-hour to close bullish and then retest the highs on the 4-hour time frame. But the way it moved, and especially the way I felt, I was like, take it easy. No worries to be in anything. If you know, I don't mind if I miss it.
Yeah, still Monday volume anyways.
Yeah.
Let's see if my webcam works. So it does. Just
Oh, sheesh.
When you bring out the webcam.
Yeah,
got my
boys.
messy room.
Let's go.
Let me go to like the beach over here.
Yo, what's up, man? How are you doing at the beach?
Good, chilling.
Nice. Mm, mm, mm. How to use. Oh yeah, you need to do you go to the box, right? You have the box right here. And you go to settings right here. And then style and then say extend to right here. And it automatically does it. You can do left as well. Like a blinkers BMW doesn't have. Yeah, but same situation is happening right now on gold again. You look closely. Price is making high, low, high, low. So I'm looking for gold buys inside this range to continue moving up to the top at 908. First target's obviously gonna be that 1901.80. And I think that's going to be around 30 pips. Let me calculate it for a second. Yeah, 34 pips. We don't have a good stop loss yet, so we need to wait on that. Yesterday I took impulse codes for 20 pips. Can you see the trade? Yes, sir. I do think this is a wrong chart. But let's take a look if it is. Okay, fixed it. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. This was the buy on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's very good, man. Very good of you. Very nice. Let's put this one to GJ. Yeah, never mind. What is that? Remove this for a second. Well. Yeah, we're ranging hard on GJ again. Might not touch it again.
Yeah, it's kind of a daily support as well.
Yeah.
They closed above, so I think sells are going to be very tricky.
Very, very tricky. I mean, you could fill the daily wick and then come back up and then continue moving up. That's the only thing I see for sells. For buys, I would buy above 155.45. So right here. This is going to be buys above. And to be really honest with you, I don't really know or even want to look for sells.
Yeah, exactly.
Because selling from this point is going to get you an entry at like 825, let's say, right? And that goes down to 821. So that's 10 pips going down to the real support on the 1 hour, 655. That's going to be 15 pips, and it's going to be a rough ride. Let's say 25, you get your entry. That's already pretty good entry right there. It's only 18 pips. Still, the first target's going to be 10 pips. I mean, could be potential sells below there, but the potential sells are going to be very rough sells. I'll just say potential sells below. But yeah, his first target for buys is good though. like buying wise, yeah, you can buy above 155.50. Let's say you get an entry at 155.70. You have around like a 19, 18, 19 pip target from 70. Get your entry maybe 75, and you have enough pips for buys. Buys look good. I'm rather looking for buys as well. Do keep in mind that we have a level on the 4 hour here on 175, around that. So the first 10, 13 pips is going to be your first target. But I do think on the daily we might start flipping back up and continue moving. There is one possibility though, when you're going to start breaking the current low and fill the wick, and then come back up, what we talked about a second ago. But at the end of the day, if you look at 30-minute time frame, we're still making, after this low was created, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, weaker higher high, weaker higher low. So we could see a pullback based on the daily time frame and then continue moving. Why only GJ and gold, sir? Because those are just the two pairs I trade. Man, like Frankie boy. Yeah, and gold I'm looking for buys as well. Not yet though, but the only thing I see is that there's like some sort of 30-minute level right here. And I think this was the retracement we have right here. So you have this higher high formed on the 1 hour and 30-minute. I think this was the retracement for the 4 hour. That's why we came back down.
I changed my background to my proprietary trading floor.
My
over
God.
here.
do back to the sea, man.
I'm back at work with my prop traders behind me, you know, scalping the markets.
Better go back to the beach.
Vacation's over.
What type of strategy do we call your type of trade, so we can look more videos and understand more? Just naked trading, price action,
Yep.
naked chart trading.
I would say like support and resistance also. Like look into that a lot.
Yeah, breakout, fake ups. But more, yeah, that's pretty much price action and
yeah, just how candlesticks like form and work and
it's delicate, man.
Yeah.
I mean, the 15 just closed above,
Mm-hmm.
but the previous 30-minute just closed bearish.
Yeah, you'd want to keep in mind that 1899 level on the 30-minute minor.
Yeah, looking at that too.
It's like 98.5 on the 30-minute to be exact. Or 0.2.
Yeah, maybe it's 0.1 something, like right here. Yeah, just let the 30-minute kind of close above that, and you should be good. Waiting for 30 minutes. How about? Slash 30 minutes. Support zone. Yeah, I think that should be good. We'll be on that daily flipping point as well once we start going up. Daily flipping point and continue moving. This was maybe just a pullback. It's pretty much the same what this 30-minute pretty much did on the 1 hour, even though on the daily. Even though the previous was bearish, but that doesn't really matter. But it's good that the 15 just opened and closed, closed above and opened right here, because once we soon have the 30-minute candle close above, yeah, we're gonna be looking for a stop loss right here rather than right here, you know, because the stop loss from right here was gonna be 25 pips, right? The stop loss from right here is only gonna be 10, 11, 12 pips. That's pretty good.
Yeah, the only thing that concerns me is how like the previous 4 hour was bearish. So if we take a buy in this 4 hour, it might just be that we're buying the high of this 4 hour.
Yeah, but as long as we respect the lows, I think we should be good. I mean,
Yeah.
it's the same situation on this candle. Yeah, we could still have one more 4-hour candle going bearish down towards 92, 144 to this support area, and then create a new support, and then continue back up.
True.
But as long as we respect the lows, I think we should be good. Because at the end of the day, we are in an uptrend though, and the reason why this candle mostly got down is because this candle closed without a top wick.
Yeah, that's true. I think, yeah, because my sells would be below the 4 hour low anyway, with a close below there.
Wow. Oh, that's pretty sick. Thank you, Jess. That's pretty handy. Where did you learn Forex here, and since when? Wicks don't lie. Since I went to him, like, I think it was October, December 2019. Now we started trading September 2019. Which chat are you guys viewing? Both. What's your main goal for the end of this year? My main goal for the end of this year. Don't want to share that right here.
100k subs.
YouTube wise or trading ways?
Just share a little goal, like
Yeah, a little
make it
goal.
fun, so we can hold you accountable to it.
Okay. Need to think about which one I'm gonna say.
Like maybe a fitness goal, or I don't know.
Okay, I wanna fitness goal wise, I wanna lose around 5 kilograms. 5 to 10 kilograms.
Okay.
I think that should be good. I'm now 92, but I'm 1.90 meters, so the weight itself is okay. I'm on the line, but I want to weigh around like 85, 86.
Yeah, more muscle, less fat,
Yeah.
and just fitter. All right, so you heard it here. End of the year. End of the year. If you're not at least 87 kilograms,
That'll be next 3 months. It will be fixed.
Good.
Well, I do see something happening on gold. What happened is pretty much we made a higher high. We came down, broke the support area right here. This previous support area, which I don't count anymore. Broke down, created a new lower low, lower high, back up the previous resistance zone. So we could see sells coming into play once we start breaking 195, 250. Back down towards that 191, 846, and it's going to be around 40 pips. So that's her, yeah, 38 pips going to be potential sells to the downside.
Yeah, we have the exact same levels. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, this one could lower a little bit below like that 30-minute level. It's based on the 1 hour. Should be right here with this wick. For me. Yeah, below that I'm gonna be looking for sells with the first target right here. The top of the previous 4 hour wick. Gonna be like now 194, 300, but like 13 pips. First target. Those. Cool. Target. So now everyone knows what we're looking for. There we go.
Morning.
Yo, what's up, man?
Morning.
How's everyone doing?
Yeah, pretty good. What about you?
Good.
All good.
Perfect.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's a nice PC.
Thank you.
Very nice. Man like Samuel. Yeah, but my goal wise on everything. Yeah, it's I could, yeah.
Just keep it for yourself if
Yeah.
you don't want to. You showed one goal. I mean,
Yeah, that's true. Some goals are meant to be only in your own mind. But YouTube wise, 20k.
Easy. Maybe even 30.
Okay, no, let's say 26. No, 30.
Okay, 30. We can do 30.
Yeah, 30. I think 30k for YouTube. It's gonna be hard. And oh no, I'm not gonna say it. No, that was too much.
Oh, okay.
Very love Luke Trades London because it's a good broker. And I need the Magic Keys V2.
Yeah, the minion market's really nice. You get incentives. You can, get magic keys with your commissions. Very nice. You even have fans now. It's very love. Luke Trades London. That's
Yeah. In New York, they're gonna be like, "Who? Wait, that wasn't Luke. That's Master P."
We hacked into Luke's channel.
I told people to follow you, Luke. Don't let me down. No, I'm not letting you down. No worries, bro. I got you, fam. Yeah, Master P is still on that level.
Wait, was I on mute? I think I was on mute.
I think so. That's a really
yeah.
cool painting you have right there, Samuel.
Yo, yes. So my sister actually painted this for me for my 22nd birthday.
Oh, really? Damn.
Yeah.
Sick.
So
Hmm.
I got another poster made with the bulls and the bears, so she inspired herself to make this one.
Sick. What time is it for you right now?
Right now it's 11:30 in the morning.
Damn.
where are you?
I'm in
Dubai?
India.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
India.
I know what you're gonna say, Master P. Don't say it.
Yeah. Let's not alert any authorities.
Yes, yes.
Shit. You still
Yes, Lou?
you gotta do what I said you to do, man, every single day. Come on, man.
Yes, yes. This week has been a little tough, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for sales right now.
Yeah, if
Because,
this early can push a couple more pips down in the last 3 minutes, close
Yeah.
below.
Choo! Yay! Well, look at that gap on the 5-minute time frame on gold. Jeez.
The 1 hour is looking so good.
Yeah, yeah. I'm into sales soon. Not right now. Relax. I'm into sales. Like I'm looking for them.
Yeah, what happened on that 5 minutes? I was like looking at the
Yeah, yeah.
charts. I'm like, is that a
Full-on
lag
gap.
on my end or?
No, it was a gap like
Yeah,
from
yeah.
here to 95.85. So the gap on MetaTrade is like 7 pips or something.
Mm.
No, not 7, 4, 5. Around that.
Right. Yeah, like 4.5, something like 5 pips. Still.
Would you look at sales on AU? Range too small for that one. Let me take a look on gold for a second because gold is breaking down, and it's the last 2 minutes of this 1 minute of this 1 hour candle. So I want to be ready if we see something happening soon. The only thing is there's going to be a nasty pullback before we're going to go down probably.
But if you look, it just broke the 4-hour low, so that's
Yeah.
a good sign.
True.
But
We just need to time it right.
yeah. Jumping in straight away the 1 hour close, you know what the 1 hour has to do most of the times, right?
Yeah.
Make a
I'm
top
not doing
wick.
that. I'm not getting caught in that.
Yeah, it might make you a 1 hour wick, and that 1 hour wick might pull back all the way to like 97, and you're like, no.
Provided it closes with a you know what as well.
I'm not gonna say it because I'm gonna.
Yeah, no. Nobody dares to jinx it.
You know how many times London Session does that?
Yeah, quite often.
I mean, if we do that, yeah, if we do that and then we reach with a wick to this level when we start flipping, I'm gonna buy. And that's gonna be the first time of me executing on a no wick, if that happens. 4 seconds left, 3, 2, 1, no wick. We have a wick. Right
Yeah, and
there.
look, it already broke.
Yeah, broke the low straight away.
Delicate.
Yeah, this is a delicate situation, guys. This is a very delicate situation. I don't want to be jumping in right now.
Yeah, now like if we can make a support, next time it breaks it should be good.
No, if it pulls back towards 1896 and starts flipping back again, then I'll be looking to take sells. But I don't like the fact that we went down straight away.
Mm-hmm.
And remember, guys, we're in the first minute of this 1 hour candle. The first 1 hour candle after the 4 hour candle close. So, in the 4 hour, we're all looking good. We're coming back down. But you do have to be careful right now. Price went down with, like, what's this, man? This is not even a top wick.
Yeah.
Oh.
I
You
think
wanna
on gold it's not necessary to wait for the second half of the candle, provided it forms a top wick, you know, a tail. If it forms that tail, then it has the orders necessary to create the body. But yeah, look at this. It just
Yeah, this is why you wait, guys. Like,
Exactly.
there's no reason jump in straight away. Like, what I would love to see is this 5 minute actually closing bullish and the next one closing below the 5 minute supported at the moment. And then we could go down very quickly. Or a retest of 96. What was it again? 96. Yeah, this level right here. but I'm not gonna buy sell. I mean, on a bearish candle. I mean, 96 flat. Yeah, that level on the 1 hour time frame could be retested before coming back down again. But this is the reason why you don't sell straight away. Now you would have been probably in at the break of the low right here, and then you had the good entry because it went down very quickly, like 140.94.8, let's say, right? And then you would have been now more than 10 pips in drawdown because you took a sell way too early. And the thing is, oh yeah, go ahead. No, go ahead.
No, I wouldn't be surprised if like your entry would have been even later because of I don't know the spread, but maybe slipped also because it moved very fast also.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, you would have not gotten that entry. You would have gotten probably like 94 flat, and that would have been like 2 pips and C.
Yeah, if we have a 5-minute candle close bearish after this one, I'm gonna be looking for sells. I'm already looking for sells, but not yet. I've seen this happen before, where price just goes down and then all the way back up.
Could be a fake out.
Yeah, but we're still below that previous support of the 1 hour time frame, so I think we're gonna be good. So if we have this 5-minute close in 2 minutes, and then the next 5-minute close below, I'm gonna be looking for some sort of sells. Yeah. We're about to hit 8.9k, guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We might be really hitting 10k this week if it goes on like this.
No joke. Drop that subscription, boys.
Yesterday we grew. How much did we grow yesterday? Yesterday we went big time, man. Like, yesterday we went big time. We went from 8,550, I think, or 650. I think it was 650. I don't really know for sure anymore. Yeah, it was 8,550. Yesterday we grew 320. No, it's all ACFX. It's all friends. It's all
Frank,
friends.
Are you looking for sells on GJ once it breaks 890?
On GJ.
Yeah.
890. I have my level at 850 for sales.
All right.
Yeah, 850
Oh,
for me too. But
850.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Daniel
this is-
Welsh. Thank you.
You're looking for it to break the wick and then continue.
Where?
Yeah, but
Okay.
because
950?
it 890, I think he said.
Yeah.
880, yeah, around. But because it ranged so much, I would rather wait for like close.
Hmm.
And also because that's like 4-hour support.
You're selling
And-
right now is dangerous.
Yeah, and that's the like Asian, like what it did. It formed
Yeah.
an Asian lows and it made support there. So I do think once we break 850, we could maybe get some sales, but after the range is pretty small also. So
Yeah.
it really depends how it closes, I think.
I think the move down is not going to be clean. It's going to be a rough ride.
Because it's
But
created a
right now-
flat candle body support at 890. And once it starts breaking 820, where now we would then be breaking the weekly lows again.
Yeah.
And so yeah.
Morning, peeps.
Yo,
Yo.
look at that fake wakey, fake out.
deep pullback.
I got a deja vu right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I have deja vus lately too much.
Oh damn.
Like, oh shit, I know this situation. Like, what? How do I?
You've seen it happen before.
Yeah. Look what's GJ saying. Range. Look at this 4-hour range. Yeah, it's not doing a lot. Yeah, you could potential buys above 155.50, which yeah, which could play out. We looked for pretty much the same yesterday, I think. Yeah, we looked for the same yesterday, 155, looking for buys above 155. But it was a delicate situation, you know. You don't know. Feeling about this. If you have, yeah, probably. I don't know anymore though, but it seems like it. Oh, look at the count of the subscribers, by the way, Masterpiece. 888.
Oh yeah, I see.
I removed the dot, then it's
Who's gonna be the lucky 20 subscribers that are gonna bring us to 8.9?
to be exact 17. Have you divorced GJ yet? A little bit, man. Yeah. She became.
Yeah, GG looks ugly today, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very, very
nothing
ugly.
to be done.
I think my stream just broke down for a second.
Oh,
because I clicked the back button.
oh damn.
To be honest, we might see GG range today like this, and then tomorrow have a breakout to the downside, maybe.
Yeah, true.
Because you don't expect to move too much last month of the quarter.
Yeah.
I mean, buys don't look. I think buys could look alright.
True.
Sells, yeah. Sells are much trickier, I think.
Yeah, because you got that daily support 10 pips away.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that 155.040 is your Asian high. So if you sort of want to buy now, you buy an Asian high, which is 8 pips away from it. I don't think that's good enough of a range.
Yeah, for me it's like 55.40, and after you have the 4-hour high, and you have those clean candles to the left, and I think you could easily maybe. I mean, if volume is here, you could get 10 pips.
Yeah, 170 is doable if we
Yeah.
got nice volume and we close above 0.40.
Yeah.
And then if we got enough momentum, we can reach 260.
Yeah, 260 exactly.
So it's gonna be patient.
Yeah, man.
And after the 260, there's still some nice like levels, but
I am not looking that far.
yeah. No, in GJ,
Yeah. I was
260 was my first
anticipating gold. I was
What?
planning gold with you guys.
What you got?
sales, you mean?
The same idea. Yeah, I was planning the same idea.
Nice.
95 closed, but I just started breaking down straight. I was like, okay, let
Yeah.
me wait.
Yeah.
And then I was thinking that this 15 is gonna close bullish, and the next one's gonna break the low, but it's just pulled back too much, man.
But I've seen this happen before, right? When price just breaks down straight away, and then price doesn't have a top wick yet, and it breaks down straight away, breaks the lows, and then most of the times you see a fake out happening once that happens. I've seen that happen before a couple times now.
Trend is bullish, right?
Yeah, 100%. That's the thing. That's why I wasn't like key into sells, and I was looking for buys before sells. But what we could have done right now is retested the previous highs right here to the left based on the 1 hour time frame. Look.
Yeah, but how much? Like, I mean, that's like a low target.
Yeah, but what I mean is that we might have retested it now, and
we
now
might
see
have.
bullish
Yeah.
momentum coming back up in the market to go back to 1901.
Mhm.
So I might sell. I think sells are gonna get out of play, and the reason why is because we already retested and then continue moving soon after this. Yeah, it's just a liquidity grab maybe. But I think there's more a retest than a liquidity grab.
But it's at the daily support, gold.
Resistance,
So-
you mean?
Yeah, well, that was formed support, and then it was
Yeah.
broken. So yeah, it's still the same. If you break the support, it comes the resistance, this and that, you know. But
Yeah, for me, gold, I think I'll wait for it to break like 4-hour resistance around those 1901. If it does, I would feel much more comfortable buying after that.
100%, you got a clean candle to fill up
Yeah, that's true.
And
to
also,
908.
if you look on it daily, you have like some levels and just some rejections around like 19 flat. And I just don't want to be caught in that range.
Yeah, for me, I'm gonna be looking for buys above this 30-minute candle level right here to the left, and then
Makes
expect
sense.
this candle to be mirroring these two candles here to the left. With first targets obviously at 10-13 pips. Yeah, what's going on with Tesla?
Yeah,
I heard
they're
some-
not gonna
What?
sell anymore that car they said about that the fastest one, I think.
Roadster.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Why not?
To be honest, I didn't read much into the story, but I don't know. But apparently Tesla shares might drop.
Oh, it's no, it's just a Model S Blade
Oh, really?
Plus, and it would have gone, would have had 1100 horsepower and a range of 840 kilometers.
Oh, so they're not doing that.
No, it should have.
Yeah, Model S plate cancelled.
Yeah, cancelled. But I heard something as well. And yeah, the anonymous guys are threatening him and his company, like the hacker group.
What kind of hacker group?
Go on the news. Anonymous. You know Anonymous, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're sort of threatening him.
Well, I heard they trying to get on Elon.
Yeah. That's what they're doing right now.
Interesting. Interesting times we live in. But Bitcoin is dropping out after that Trump tweet, you know?
What happened?
Trump said that Bitcoin is a scam.
Everyone starts select sell. Let's see. Where is BTC at right now? The thing is, if it can be affected that quickly by just one guy saying some bullshit, right? Yeah, I don't know if you want to be in this situation at that moment.
Now the thing is that the China is the China whales are selling Bitcoin like deeply. I think just to liquidate people as much as possible.
Yeah.
Out of this market. So you know when it's like people are gonna be fearful to sort of like sell their Bitcoin when it's gonna reach like, I don't know, 15, 10K or whatever.
Yeah.
Just for them to buy everything
Yeah.
and go to reach the new highs.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean,
Yeah, because America is buying, like all the retails and everyone's buying in America, but the China is selling.
yeah. Playing
China
games.
has more power eventually.
Yeah, those Remax are fast, man, especially the new one. It's insane.
technology involved in a remac is intense. Especially the
gentlemen. Good
batteries
morning,
they're
Edwin.
using.
Yeah, it's insane. They're on the next level. Now the fake out is coming in. Price went back to support, retested the support, and now we should be looking for buys soon above 98. Hey, look, what's your favorite session to trade? Well, London
Used to
session.
be London.
Used to be London, though, yeah.
Rest in peace, London session.
Yeah, I just can't wait for that market cycle to come back to the good old days.
Last year was insane, but last year, you know, that's the problem. A lot of people started last year as well, and they are now a little bit stuck with all the volume that used to be there. You know?
I mean,
like-
Yeah, as I was
used-
doing simulation. Sorry, Frank. I was
No,
doing
no, go on.
simulation on Sunday. We were students, and we done it March, something like a third week of March.
Yeah.
And then we could see in one candle GG doing like 30 pips, and I was
Yeah.
just like, wow, I'm not even expecting that, you know.
5
from
minute
GG.
candles, man.
Yeah, I'm not even expecting that, and we're just laughing, you know, because like, you know, you miss those quite good volume
Yeah.
times, but it will come. It's just the time that we're in now. You know, the tension in pound pairs at the London session
Yeah.
is there. You know,
100%.
second quarter, Indian variant, it's coming. Something is coming, guys.
Hopefully. Well,
That's-
not for the variant, but you know what I mean.
Oh dear, I tuned in and I heard something's coming. What's coming? Ooh.
A volume.
Man, like is in a prop firm and that.
Yeah, this is my prop firm. Have my traders in here. They're scalping.
Wall Street. How's your
Yeah.
flight?
Good. It was pretty smooth, I'd say.
How long is it? It's not quite that long, isn't it?
No, it
Oh,
was like 2.5 hours.
Okay,
Wait,
reasonable.
If this, I don't understand this one, man. Because you say no trades on the 10 pips. How big is this target of this trade?
That's a 1 hour chart, so maybe, I don't know.
Maybe it's 100 pips, but this is not big. Let me go to this chart. ADUC. Yesterday. That was. Oh, they're right here. Let me see where you got in. You got in the middle of the body, but you're using. Yeah, different one. Doesn't matter. Like 15 minute time for 60, 1 hour. Where was this?
I think right there,
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's right there. I'm blind.
right before the two bearish candles, though.
So it means you got in right here. Yeah, it's 5 pips, man. But your target's gonna be 10 pips around that and that. Yeah, that's not smart to do, man. That's not a smart idea right there. Look at the left and look at the 4 hour. Just look at the 4 hour for 1 second. I haven't been on the 4 hour yet, but I know it's gonna scare you off straight away. 4 hour. Look at this. You want to be caught in that? Now, what you could be looking for right now, based on the 4 hour time frame, and on the 1 hour time frame, is a retest of the high. So we came back down. Price went from this low. Price went back up. Created a higher high, higher low, higher high at the 4 hour resistance zone right here. Now it's creating support above the previous higher low. So if you see support being formed and the highs being broken, I think you can retest the highs of this actual structure right here. How's everyone doing? I'm doing pretty good, man. What about you, man? How's you doing? Look, jumping nuke. Look at the 5. It's good. It is a full-on fake out right here, and hopefully not everyone just started selling gold here because that was dangerous.
Oh yeah.
What did he do, Iron Man? Let's take a look. Joe Biden.
He's slowing the markets down.
Yeah. He's slowing down himself too. Look at his age.
Yeah. It's slow Biden.
Man's nearly 80 years old, man.
Sheesh.
Wouldn't be surprised if The Simpsons is right.
Let's check the 50-minute gold chart out. 1895 flat. It's actually a support on the 50-minute.
What?
Oh yeah, the new support.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
1895 flat.
I'm more looking into until this candle closes. It's 30.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna regroup my reset. I mean my support zone
Yes.
until it closes. I need this 30-minute candle to close, and then we have the new support created, and then my level can be lowered down.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
So yeah. What is that? Damn. People talking about corruption.
Oh damn.
The Biden. Oh my god. Yeah, there's delicate situations with this man.
Sleepy Joe.
Yeah. What? Joe Biden is trying to raise taxes on billionaires?
Okay.
But he finds it very hard. I could understand that. What do you think? If you have $1 billion and you're not gonna come across, you have many ideas.
Many options.
It's nearly the same as mine, Samuel. I have I'll type it.
Oh yes. I think.
Oh,
Your GPU is a 2060, right?
2060? No. 1660. I'll type it down. It is I have SSD and what's that MT thing? What the hell that's called? And
Oh, M2.
M2, yeah. But there's only 500 gigs of that. The other is just a normal SSD. And then I have what the hell is the rest? 16 gigabytes.
Yes.
RAM.
Your setup's also really beautiful, man. You gotta show us.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Luke trades London setup tour.
Oh, they got the Zoom link on right now. Look at gold moving, man. It's just going up, down, inside this range. But this 30-minute candle needs to close above this level. Got 3 minutes left for price to do that. So let's see.
Just get yourself a coffee, guys. It's gonna be a long morning.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yo, it's playing bingo in the White House.
Oh yeah, both our setups are pretty identical. Luke.
Yeah, right. Well, you have
Yep.
the super is a little bit better than the normal 1660.
A little, yeah.
But mine is, I think it's cool with a special cooling thing, and then
Yeah.
oh, yours is standard overclocked as well.
Yep, mine is a gaming OC.
Okay, yeah, mine is standard overclocked, but I don't know in what way.
Hmm.
I have no idea. Gold chart. Let's take a look at Iron Man's gold chart. Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing. Buys. Very nice. Can we buy? First of all, there's no we. Second of all, I don't know if you can buy GJ right now. Let's take a look on GJ.
Nah, GJ stuck, boy.
Yeah, GJ is stuck. These guys can't even trade. Yeah, that's true because we're ranging right now. I don't know if E-Trade ranges, but I don't at least. The Africans.
Alright.
Guys, no, we don't know. Where do you got the selling ID from? Show me a chart before you're gonna call something out. I like Sparehead. GJ is
Honestly, don't you think price has been ranging almost all the major sessions and then pushes finally at New York Stock Exchange open?
Oh yeah.
Literally.
yeah, but he already forgot it, Iron Man. He already forgot that he bought it. There we go. We can remove our current support right here to this one. Now we do have to keep in mind the same level as well that we had before. So it's the previous support, and we want that previous support to be respected, and then continue moving further back up. This is a good situation. We just did a fake out on the 30-minute time frame, so there's going to be potential of pushes coming up very, very soon. 20 hours of range in GJ. Yeah. But if it breaks out, it's probably going to break out in New York, and then Master P is going to get some crazy
Who knows?
You might even forgot they was president. Yeah, I don't know about this situation. Sheesh. I think if gold breaks 30.94 and come down to 91. Yeah, 100%. I'm in the same situation as you. Same thing. But right now we made a 30-minute fake out. So the only thing we have to do is close at least with a 30-minute above 97 or above 98 225 for some buys. And personally, I am looking for a closure. I mean, we could have fake out volume coming in very soon. And there is a probability once we start breaking the current 30-minute high right here that we could start moving further up. So yeah.
Yeah, I might come back for this hourly close and see what it's doing, but I need to do some things.
Yeah.
You better prep your profit, man.
Yeah, I gotta go give some motivational speeches to them. Make sure they're disciplined.
Come on, guys.
Throw some
I know it's
Rolexes in
ranging
there.
right now.
Yeah.
I know it's ranging, boys. Just take it easy. Don't waste my money.
Yeah, don't waste my money. It's gonna be me. Somebody takes a stupid trade, I'll be like, hey, you're wasting my money.
It can't be like that.
Yeah,
People make
nah.
mistakes.
Of course.
Turns around, smack.
GJ starting to move.
True. If you get a close above, would be pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
above
move 5
50.
pips, you know.
I want to see above 50. Then I'm gonna take a buy on. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Needs to close, break, and close above though. No games.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the close as well.
No games. I'm not gonna be jumping into something. I mean, the way GJ moves, impulsive entries is yeah. Okay, the only impulsive entry that there was last New York session, after price first went down, before going up. It first went up and then it went down. Then there were impulsive entries coming into play, but right now, nah. Yeah, but it could be that just the reason why we're ranging a little bit right now is maybe because of last week. But Thursday, I think there's going to be some good news on gold again, so we might have some movement. Ooh. Yeah, but right now it's a delicate situation. Not doing a lot. Who's hosting New York session today? It will be on my channel, but Master P will be the host. I have to do a couple of things, so I can't be there. But Master P is going to be hosting it on my channel. And I miss it. Yeah. But we'll do that in a couple of weeks again, because we can't do that every week. Giraffe. We can't do that. That's too much. I know it was fun. Yeah, I don't really mind who hosts whatever. Just focus on myself. I don't give a shit what anyone else focuses on, you know. What anyone else does, I mean, focus on. Just the thing is, at the end of the day, we're here. Everyone is here, and we're here to learn, right? We're not here to gossip or to talk smack about other people. I mean, it's fun to do. I get it, but you know that the lowest people only talk about other people. We're here to talk about ideas, talk about trading, learn. I mean, that's the difference between this session and a lot of other sessions. Yeah, we laugh a lot, we make a lot of jokes, but we're talking about ourselves, our own, you know, trading, our own probabilities, and not just trying to look at anyone else at the same time. But yeah, go ahead. Someone wanted to say something, I think.
Yeah, I said losers focus on winners, winners focus on winning.
Yes, sir.
Michael Phelps. There you go.
No, that was
Bikini
Conor
girls.
McGregor, I think.
I think this one started with Michael Phelps, to be honest.
Maybe.
After you won that gold medal.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's possible.
Yeah, when there was a picture, or with Usain Bolt when he won that race as well, and the guy was looking at him while running. So
That I don't know.
Enjoy it.
yeah, but either way,
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be good. You guys. I love your work,
And
guys. Love to share my views. Perfect, no problem. Go ahead. Wait, go ahead. Augustus, sorry.
No, I was just gonna say, look, can you call banks? I don't know, do something. Just
Yeah, let
Thank
me,
you.
give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
yeah, please, man.
let me do this real quick.
I mean, it's dead. It's quiet.
Yeah.
Wow. Because I woke up at 6, 10 to 6. I look at the charts, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna stay in bed. It's boring. There's nothing in there.
Yeah.
And then when I saw gold starting to move, I was like, okay, let me get out of my bed. Because it's terribly quiet. But I was looking at GJ, I was like, I don't see any cells, anything below daily support with the resistance formed. I'm not taking anything impulsively. And then looking for buys, there's still so much range to go into because GJ's moving so slow. I was just like, ugh. Then GU started to drop, and I know Nick got in that entry, and I was about to take as well. But when he moved with that top wick for me. So it's just like, okay, I'm gonna leave it. And he moved how many pips? Oh, it dropped actually 9 pips.
That's the thing with London. I feel like it's like there's like one setup in the morning, and if you miss it, you have to wait like another 2-3 days to get a nice setup.
Yeah, but that wasn't even the setup. That was like 9 pip move.
No, I mean yesterday on GJ.
Oh, yesterday in GG, yeah, that was the only setup that we had, and I was doing the analysis, and I was just like, okay, I was just journaling my trade and everything, and how could I've gotten myself a better entry, where, why, and so on. So yeah, because we all should have been early with the 750 level that got broken, and just obviously the comfort level wasn't there with the hourly close, but we shouldn't be looking at the hourly because then we're looking for the hourly to play out itself, but we just looking at the 30-minute, which made sense, close below support and form a resistance, and the stop loss was like only 7 pips or something, 7-8 pips.
Now I journaled it, and like to have the best entry, like I think we could have also like put it above the 30 minutes and be like really safe, and that was like 11 pips. Even 10 pips, and the top of the previous one now was like 11 pips. That's a thing we should have tried out, because seeing how that 1 hour close, the 30-minute close, I mean, even if we took the trade, we had a lot of room to manage it. So
I mean 750 was the zone that if we started leaving on hourly, I think that was the zone that we can get into the trade. And I think the masterpiece sort of idea was amazing, and he executed on that. But that, as I'm saying, like you miss an entry, you journal that, that for the next time you can anticipate the same movement, so you can take the trade.
Yeah.
But you're not obviously 100% sure that it's gonna work out, but you've seen it working out now, and I think, and we seen it working out on last week, 1st of June as well, as the master said. It was the exactly same scenario, but just on a 30-minute. And if you backtest it, it's exactly the same. Sort of formed a dodgy candle, then dropped.
Last Tuesday, I think I took this. It was the same setup on the 15 minutes, but the range was much smaller. Don't know
But
if you remember.
Still, I mean, that sort of says to you that, okay, that might work, but then, you need to understand what kind of zone you're leaving, where's your entry. And if you're trading during the high volume time, that can have those pushes, So it's these kind of bits and pieces that people need to understand when they taking a trade. So, you know, I did see that kind of trade before, but I wasn't comfortable of playing it out. Same thing happened again yesterday. But, you know, when you journal that, you sort of can anticipate for the next time. Because 30 minute just had the best setup, honestly. Hey guys, Euros in 3 days, yeah?
What?
Euros. Fucking European Cup coming up. Football.
Yeah.
Euros. Ah, mate.
Yeah, man.
Can't wait. I can't wait.
Are you guys in as well?
No, we're not.
Actually. Like for real?
Yeah, bro. Lithuania never go through.
No, but the UK, it's not Europe anymore. So are they still allowed to get in, or?
Yeah, of course. It's like Eurovision that Australia comes
Yeah.
into, you know, like randomly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, obviously, man. UK will be there. 100%, man.
Yeah. Of,
UK got quite
probabilities.
good team, to be honest. They got like 17 right backs anyway. Who am I
20.
supporting? To be honest, I don't know. I might be. France is interesting.
Yeah, you have to support France.
Ooh.
France is interesting. You know, they got Benzema finally got called again.
Yeah.
Yeah. To be honest, I'll be watching England as well, seeing what's about. I got no support in there, to be honest.
The Netherlands is going against Ukraine first, and then to Austria.
Yeah, Netherlands as well. It's interesting. You know, they got a good team as well. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Euros.
Yeah.
Germany also. Germany
Yeah.
play good often.
Yeah.
Yeah, Germany's
I mean, a lot
always
of
good. Germany's always good. It's never that Germany is bad.
They got amazing youngsters.
Yeah.
Amazing youngsters. So, you know,
Mm.
it will be interesting Euros, to be honest. Like, because there's a lot of young generation coming into right now.
Yeah. For me, yeah, I'm looking forward for France because I mean they've won the World Cup, so just want to see how they play now, and also with I don't know how you say it in English, Benzema.
Yeah, Benzema, yeah. Or Benzema, whatever how you spell it, doesn't matter. But this guy came finally came back.
Man. I mean, personally, I like him as a player.
He's good. He's the only player that him and Casemiro for Real Madrid.
Yeah, I'm actually coaching a team as well.
Yeah, Barcelona, isn't it?
Yeah.
Barcelona. Guys, this is not a Forex stream when the market is raging. This is whatever is happening.
Yeah, we just have to wait.
Yeah, honestly, but there's nothing else that you can do, and that's why the community is good. Is sort of like streams or whatever. It's when the markets are boring and you by yourself, you sort of clinging yourself to get into the markets of anything that you see. But when you on a stream talking to somebody, you're taking your mind off that. And
yeah, you wait for the correct opportunities. So
yeah, 100%.
It's not always bad talking about something else.
Yeah, exactly. Just put your mind away until the market presents you where you want to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, I watched the Floyd Logan fight.
You knocked
honestly,
him out. Did you see it?
No, it's not knockout, but it was
I
the
think
most boring fight. No, nobody got knocked out.
No, because Mayweather
held
Logan,
him. Yeah,
man.
yeah. You see
that? Yeah, with
finish?
The arm, like to the.
He got knocked out for like 2 seconds.
I think Logan got knocked out. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie.
But he at least he.
But I mean, honestly, the most boring fight I've ever saw. I mean, if you paid for that, oh boy, I would ask for a refund. Yeah.
49. pay for that. Really? Try to go to Euros, guys.
Look,
Yeah.
have you read the Four Agreements? Your approach to life reminds me of that book. I don't know that. I'll take a look at it. The Four Agreements. Do you know anything about that?
For agreements? What for?
Mm,
The stream?
no book.
No, it's a book.
The guide, a practical guide to personal freedom. Let's take a look. What it's about. Be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personally. Don't make assumptions. Always do your best. That's pretty good.
Yo, good morning.
Yo, what's up, man? It's about the Four Agreements. Don Mikio reveals the source of self-limiting beliefs that rob us of joy and create needless suffering.
Four Agreements book.
For power code to conduct that rapidly transform through happiness and love. Well, the last thing is missing a little bit. No, it's a joke. But Don Mikio's book, Roadmaps, Enlighten and Freedom. But that looks pretty good, man.
That's published in 1997, man.
Yeah. There should be some gems in that.
Yeah, it should be interesting, yeah. I like the cover.
Yeah, you like the cover because it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like. Hey, come on, mate. You know, health is wealth.
Yeah, I'm always positive, Michelle. I'm always positive. Like he can, like 99 out of 99 times, like out of 100 times, no, even more, 99.5% out of 100 times, I'm positive. So even if the walls fall down on me, I'm serious and like, oh, Gucci.
I've already seen this book. I think it's pretty famous.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think my mom read it.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, man. It's quite old.
So, wait, are you calling his mom old right now?
No, man.
I mean,
that's when I was born. Like, that was when I was born, so, you know, take your time.
It's a joke.
No, but I think I've already seen it. I should ask her. I think I maybe have it at home.
Really? That's pretty good, man. But did you read? Yeah. Michelle, have you read it? I think so.
I've read it. I've probably bought it about 20 times because I give it out every time I buy it. I just
really?
Is it that good?
It's amazing. It's absolutely life-changing. So I had a life coach recommend it for me, and then Oprah one year was in her book club thing, and like she bought it for everybody she knew. So it's a life-changing book. I had a client read it, and he was a professor, and he said he started to make all of his students read it.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
But which one did you buy? Because it says like with the practical guide and then without practical guide.
I would just get the book. It's actually a very quick read. Like you could read it in a day.
Really? How many pages does it have?
I don't know. It's a small book. I don't know how many pages, but it really just teaches you like your outlook on life. Like when, you know, like in the streams, when people start to talk crap, it's really good for stuff like that. Cause it's like, don't take on what other people say. Like they own their words, not you.
Yeah.
You don't have to own what they're saying. And that's just
it
not
has
taking things personally.
Pages, sorry.
What?
It has 168 pages.
Oh,
sorry,
that's nothing. You read that, yeah, literally in a day, what Michelle says.
Yeah.
Is it, yeah, it's an easy read, you said, right? It's like a story, or...
Yeah, it's actually, I think it's based off of like Aztec principles, like ancient principles.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so it's just, I don't know, when you like talk about your trading and like quieting your mind and things, like it just reminded me of that. And I thought, I wonder if he's read that book.
Not yet, might do.
To be honest, I'm gonna order that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it now.
Probably it's £8 only.
Order it now, it will be...
What's it called again?
Delivered tomorrow.
The Four
Agreements.
It's
For
like
the
£8 even, man.
that
UK.
want it, the 4 agreements, yeah, you know how to write it.
So Michelle,
For me, it's like
you did
9
buy the
euros.
one
Nothing.
with the practical guide, didn't you? Because it's like 2 different ones. Let's see.
I don't
no, I
see a
didn't do the practical guide. I just read the book.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. No, I mean, it's honestly, it's like one of them is being impeccable with your
There's-
word. Like, just think about what you say to people because it has meaning and it affects other people.
Mhm.
So, I mean, it's just a lot of good, like, honestly, life things that affect how you approach life and how you treat other people. And when Luke talks, I really see like he represents a lot of those things naturally. So I thought he may have read it.
I haven't yet, but
That's
I will
nice.
do.
That's nice.
Thank you.
That's nice. Thank you, guys. Whoever.
Yeah, I'm ordering this real quick.
And then
Yeah, I'll do
Michelle
that
said
for the
it,
stream.
that you bought so many. I was like, okay.
Yeah, 20. Whoa. Then it should be good.
No, that's definitely coming into my pocket.
100%.
Yeah, £6.33 on Amazon.
Man, that's nothing, right? It's just like just a
Insanely
cup of
cheap.
coffee.
Look, Luke's gonna start a book club on here.
But why not?
I like
Honestly.
reading, man. I
That's
like
actually
reading a
good
lot.
idea.
Like,
Yeah.
it's really, really good. For me, I think if I didn't read the last, like, 3 years, 2.5, 3 years, I wouldn't be at the same place I was right now. 100%.
100%.
100%. Those book, like the first book I read, I know it's a really obvious book and most people read it.
Which
Think
that
and Grow
would-
Rich was my first book on self-help, and
That's changed my life.
bruv, that's changed my entire life. It changed my entire look at life, everything. That was the first book that do that to me, and then all of a sudden I started to get into different books, and you know, and you see Think and Grow Rich, but that rich is not about attaining money. It's attaining happiness. It's attaining what you how do you say that? Yeah, it's just happiness. Happiness, the way happy with your own life, happy with things you do, and being able to control your thought process on that one as well. So you're not, always thinking about stupid shit. What you
Iron
don't
Man
want to take.
suggested a good one as well. I read that through 5 Languages of Love. It's a good one as well. Honestly, you started to dig deep into yourself, of inner self, and you're starting to understand yourself a bit more aware. So yeah, I read that one because my missus, she bought it for herself, and I was like, okay, let me read that as well.
Hey, if a man has read the 5 love languages, that's mad impressive.
Well, my girlfriend, she was like, you need to read it. And I was
Shoot.
No, but like I was like, okay, if I need to read it, I need to read it, And then I read through, and I was like, okay, that that opens me up.
What is
It changes things.
Oh,
It
that
changes
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
So
And
Luke,
that's
you
why I'm
said-
really good with that. We sort of,
Yeah.
I understand myself, so then I can understand her, and that kind of thing.
Right. And when you understand and you don't take it personally, like you get like what it is that they need in order to be happy.
Yeah.
It's blissful moment. Honestly. There's no, unreasonable arguments, and nothing personal. It's just she is the way she is, and I am the way I am, and if we can understand each other, wow.
Yeah, but it's good. It's a big book. Oh, 250 pages. That's okay.
So Luke, on Think and Grow Rich. Now I'm a little older than most of y'all.
Yeah.
And the one book I read in my early 20s that changed me to like financial freedom was Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah, that's
me
a
too.
classic.
Yes. And so anybody that's young, I try to make my kids read it so that they just understand, about being in debt and what wealth really is.
And let them play the game. The game is
Yeah,
fun,
that's
man.
like a
we need to do like an evening on a Friday
stream,
night,
yeah.
a Friday night stream where we're gonna play Rich Dad Poor Dad. Because guys, to be honest with you, it's gonna make not just it's gonna for the people that don't understand a lot of finance yet, and this is the easiest way to learn it.
And the funnest, yeah.
It's fun,
Mhm.
easy.
Yeah, I remember I read the book and I was like, what's this game? And I went on the game and I spent I want to say 5 hours the first day, just playing it.
I was playing it every day just to learn. Learn. And you have to take things serious in the game. There's a game. Yeah, there's a game. If you go to thinkandgrowrich.com. No, Think and Grow Rich. Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad it is. richdad.com. You just need to make an account.
In a while.
Yeah. And then you go to, where is it?
No, it's cash flow the game, no?
Yeah, cash flow. Yeah, it has a cash flow.
I don't see it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
That's
think
the name.
Cash Flow is the second book.
No, but
I read
maybe.
Cash Flow as well. Pretty
okay.
good. Oh, I
Same
think,
author.
where is it? Rich.
I mean, it's still pretty basics. Like it's the basics, I would say, to like financial freedom, but still, it's like you really
it's an alphabet, you know, like for you
Yeah.
to understand the letters, you know, of the alphabet. It's the same thing as a financial bit.
Yeah.
Literacy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I read a couple books of him. Like 3, 4. Really good.
Right now, have you guys read The Law of Success by Napoleon Hill?
Oh yes, sir.
I just started it.
Read the book of what's it called?
What I am doing lately though is sometimes with certain books I do skip certain I really start looking for the things that I'm interested in the books.
Look, I would suggest you to read Outwitting the Devil, Napoleon Hill.
Oh yeah, I know that
What-
one. Yeah,
Well, I've
that's-
heard about
yeah.
that one too.
I got it
That
laying
is
around. Yeah.
amazing. Like wow, it has been written in 1938,
Yeah,
but because of what's inside, the whole information and everything, it has only been published in 2011.
it's insane.
Can you imagine?
Yeah,
Just
I know
like
that. I
literally-
know that story. Yeah.
Yeah,
pretty crazy.
70 years later.
Yeah.
Oh man,
Insane.
it's amazing. I bought it, and it's a quick read and so interesting. Like so interesting.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
Laws of Success book is huge, man. I was like, what the heck? This is gonna take me a while.
Man, Napoleon Hill is the guy.
Yeah, he's a beast.
He's
He's
the
read them
guy.
all. Damn near.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, reading goes pretty quickly. If you just read 10 pages a day, right? You have one
Yeah,
book
that's what I do.
every
10
month.
to 50, but those pages are big, bro. In that book, I do
Wait,
like
wait.
5 now.
Guys, reality transurfing. You want to see a good book with the big pages and the low pages? Reality transurfing. I read that. 800 pages.
Yeah.
Ish.
An A4 format.
Yeah.
With the small letters. Hey, let me tell you, I read that book for 2 months.
Have you read the
It's so
book of
hard.
David Goggins or not?
No, I didn't. I'm gonna buy as well.
Yeah.
But I'm looking for the audio because apparently audio is better.
Oh, really? Yeah, audio. I like audio as well, but I like reading
Because I was-
sometimes more.
I was listening to Joe Rogan's second podcast with him.
Yeah.
And it's sort of like a similar one to do his first. But Joe Rogan is listening to his audiobook and he's saying it's amazing, I think, more than the hardback.
Yeah.
Does this book too like a little bit like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Richest Man in Babylon? Don't know if you read that. It's like a very quick read, but it was like one of the first books I read like for like kind of like financial like stuff, and it's actually really good.
You guys make me want to go read right now and just
Yeah,
flip the charts, man.
Have to do it, man.
Honestly, but that's what it is. Like I read every single day.
Yeah,
Like,
me too.
every
But I have
single day.
I have my time set, you know.
Even if it's a paragraph, you know, I just like get the information inside my head.
Yeah, for me is at night. Like I like to like kind of wind down and just like chill, read a bit
Yeah,
at night
of
before I
course.
go to bed.
Audio is good too, Albano. If you just like audio, you're good. But
Like I like the hardcover.
Yeah.
I'm not into that much of an audio, but apparently
Yeah.
Joe Rogan recommended that David Goggins audiobook. But he's not the one that is speaking in that book. He's not the one that is reading his own book.
yeah,
And that's the thing.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. His friend is reading that book. So
really, damn.
yeah.
We do have
So
to.
yeah, guys. So look, I would suggest you reality transurfing. Oof, mate, fire.
Reality. different.
Next book
So,
order, I'll come on the
Bad
stream
in
and ask for
Zealand.
some books.
Yeah,
Reality
that's the Russian that wrote
trends.
this book, and this book is absolutely game changer. It's like biblical, man. It's
Really.
huge.
Whoa, this book is expensive. Jeez.
Yes, boy. Yes.
Boy.
I'm telling
What?
you don't pay that much for the books, bro. But
770 pages.
yes, sir. I'm not
Yeah.
lying to you. Man, there's so much information talking about everything.
Damn,
Like, wow.
that's crazy.
So Luke, you mentioned audiobooks. Like I have like ADHD and limited time.
Yeah.
I almost do everything audiobooks, and I listen to it at almost twice the normal speed, and my brain
Damn.
can like stay engaged with it.
That's
Oh,
fast.
really?
There's a lot of people like reading is hard because your brain it just takes a lot. So for me, unless I really love the book, the Four Agreements, I have no problem because it was short. But other things, it's like I have so much to do during the day that my brain it's hard to focus. But I do an audiobook, I play it really fast. My family cannot listen to it. They're like, we have no idea what they're saying. But I can stay with it. So for anybody watching that's like, hey, these books sound good, but I'd never sit down and read them, most of them are on Audible.
That's pretty
Nice.
good. Yeah, I see a lot of more people coming into the audio books. For me, like really reading gives me a lot of gives me the opportunity always to relax as well. So I found reading sometimes very handy, and also for me, like one thing I still need to really do is make my what's it called? Exactly what I was about to say. Make my vocabulary wider, because some old English books, some words in there I need to really look up on what that means, you know. So yeah. So for me, my vocabulary needs to improve a little bit, and then I understand all those words that I used to not understand. And for me, that's gonna be a lot easier to read.
Guys, this stream is golden, man. We're talking about books, knowledge, everything.
Me,
People
it's
must
like-
enjoy that.
Yeah, I listen to like podcasts like when I'm driving sometimes. Like that's like not audiobooks, but it's like podcasts. Just put a podcast on, like an interesting one, and drive, and like you don't even really like you have nothing better to do when you're driving, so why not like get some knowledge?
Yeah, man. Everyone's like, "Oh, we got a podcast over here." Yeah, it's true though. Reading really hard when you have ADHD. Yeah, it never got tested on me as well, but people think I have it. I don't know about myself, but I can sit down and read, but I'm really like not anymore. But I used to be really like one thing happened and I'm unconcentrated for the rest of the time. So, but now it's okay. And look gold. Look at gold.
Okay, gold's moving.
Yeah, gold's on the move. Take a look.
You're
I
in on
scaled in.
Michelle?
I scaled in
what?
on that.
I am in on gold.
Nice.
From where?
Better hold it, Michelle. I gave you the targets yesterday. It's almost
Hey,
there.
I had a prediction of gold going down, and then my bias changed. So yeah,
Better hold 'em.
I think we're going up. I think we're gonna retrace at the top. We're gonna double tap the top, and then I think we're gonna break through to probably 19.0. My numbers are different than y'all's, so 1910, 1908 for y'all.
Yeah, I got
Almost.
TP at full TP at 1908. I just entered again.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the candles to close.
I anticipate a cup pattern with a handle of pullback for retracement, which was exactly what happened last Thursday to Friday, was a complete cup pattern. Luke, do you remember when I said the next 4-hour candle was going to be monster, and you were like, NFP, you never know which way it's going to go?
Yeah.
And then Friday it just totally retraced back to the top of the Thursday
really?
drop.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, there was like 100 pip move like with an FP, I think.
Yes.
Who was that?
Yeah, that was weird.
That's
It
my
was a-
husband.
Oh, really? In the background. I told you.
He's like, because when we were down flat at the bottom, he's like, we're about to have a monster 4-hour candle, but he says it's not going to happen till the last hour. And so I sat and waited and waited and waited, and then yeah,
You guys both trade?
yeah.
The whole
Man, I
family
gotta-
does.
I gotta
Yeah,
find
the whole
me a
family.
girl that knows how to trade, man.
Or teach one.
Only thing my girl know how to do, man, do makeup.
That's
Oh my God.
on one of his lives, like if him and his wife ever like argue over trading, because we definitely argue over trading over here.
Really?
Yeah, I'd rather do that than, argue about the standard norm, what everyone else talks about. You
That's
was
true,
looking
though.
at
Argue about that
you was
stuff.
looking at that girl, wasn't you?
Which makeup to buy in that?
Yeah, fuck it.
Yeah. I'm waiting for this candle to at least close above. Yeah. Maybe 50-minute close above. Put up in June to 1950. Damn. How do you decide whether to enter on a 15 and 30-minute? Depends on the close. Depends on the close and the way it moves. If we go up there, close nicely, make a nice wick down and go up after that, yeah, 100%.
Ooh,
Oh, look at that spike.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw
You
it.
see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Dang.
So if we close clean above my level right there, and we make a little bottom wick before making a top wick, then 15-minute will be good enough for me. Will P, how you doing, brother? Pretty good, man. What about you, man? Later part of the 4 groups. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't really read it yet. I'm ordering it after the session. Probably reading it then rest of the week. But I'll probably finish it in a very short time. It's only like, what was it, 180 pages? Yeah, it's gonna be 2 days or something probably for me. If it's an easy read. I mean, it's like if a book doesn't have a story, reading goes like 10 times slower. And I think that's why people like Rich Dad Poor Dad a lot, because it's a story rather than a full-on explanation or something. The story is a lot easier to read. Can you lower the music a bit? Yeah, sure, man. Okay. I think it should be good now. Music sounds like there's a fight scene coming. Yeah, Gold and us are gonna be fighting soon. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is not a good read. Oh, really?
We should do like a list of the older
Yeah.
books everybody
Yeah, I got
reads.
this
I've
book as
read
well.
that too.
7
Yeah,
Habits. Yeah,
7 Habits. I read that. That's a pretty good book.
Yeah?
Boring though. Yeah, it's boring.
yeah,
but
it's a nice one as well.
it's good if you can sit down and actually learn and
Yeah, and actually read that through.
Yeah.
You know, not skip
'Cause
through, but read that through. Yeah.
it's boring.
Honestly, I completely agree with that. It's
Yeah,
boring.
that stuff
It's hard
is
to
The
read
bad.
then.
information is in there. It's like
Yeah,
you change your habits. Like you start to bring new habits into your life with the new rewards and everything.
Yeah.
I have a book. I don't think no one read it in here. It's I forgot the name. Wait, let me grab it real quick.
How to Win Friends and Influence People is a great book
Yep.
that teaches.
Dale
with
Carnegie
stories.
as well.
Never read that, to be honest.
Yeah, got it as well. Just
I see a lot
Dale
of people that
Carnegie.
read The Habit of Not Giving a Fuck, I think. Oh, yeah. The what's it
How
called?
to not give a
How
fuck.
to Not Give a yeah. I don't know about that. The Subtle Art of Not Giving. I don't know if that's
Yeah.
good. I see a lot of people read that, but I've never really. I was never
it's,
really like.
it's like a
nah.
new trend for this one.
It's Unshakable by Tony Robbins. If you want to have no emotions, read that.
Well, which one? Tony Robbins
Unshakable.
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 Tony Robbins. I heard of
Yeah,
that
Tony
name.
Robbins is a G.
Yeah, that man, he doesn't care, bro. He just even
his
he
story
even
is-
curses you out in his book.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You
but
come
that's what
looking
David
for
Goggins
peace.
does as well.
Yeah, you come looking for a piece. This man's fucking cussing at you. Ooh, sorry. This man's cussing at you.
Yeah.
It's a good book, man.
His story, Tony Robbins, is really touching.
Yeah.
When he had no money and I had to overcome everything, this and that, you know.
And the thing is, he can explain. You know, he knows how to explain stuff. Knows to bring it.
But he's so big, you know. He's big. Have you seen his arms? Man?
Yeah. Big man.
He's big.
Look at
Yeah,
gold.
man.
Gold is teasing everyone.
Not even big as well. It's only like 250 pages. You read that in a couple of days.
Yeah. It's a good book, though.
Especially when there's a good story behind it. I mean, it's good to read books because you get, it's like, you can filter your own opinions on the books as well at the end of the day, and learn from all the people that are, you know.
Somebody said, "Luke, don't waste time. Take some trades."
Don't waste them. Oh my God, there's someone ramming straight into the wall here. A delicate situation. Do you hear that?
Yeah, I might break even right now.
Shit, man, it's dropping in there, gold.
Yeah, I think the best thing to wait was wait for a close.
Yeah. I was
That's
waiting
why I'm
for
waiting
that
too.
closure as well.
I'm waiting for a close. I'm not gonna get in before the close. That's what I said in the beginning already. I need a close.
If you would have entered above that 15-minute, you got yourself good 10 pips to the target.
Yeah, but I need to wait for a close to get in. That's the thing. Otherwise, you're gonna have situations like this. And you saw those wicks on the top. These wicks should
But
have
didn't
been
you
broken
expect
straight
this
away.
4 hour to be like this?
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
look yesterday, I can do the same thing as yesterday, this 4 hours.
Yeah, honestly. Exactly
Like go
the
down
same
a
thing.
bit, you see I can do the exact same pattern.
Yeah, before it pushes all the way to 9-8.
Yeah, with
Yeah,
MOSC.
it's a delicate situation.
No, this one isn't going back up.
Holy!
Damn! Bubba boy!
Boys!
Going downtown. Cruising to
Boys.
LA.
I don't think we're going downtown, but I think
It's
I
just
think
spiking. It's just
Yeah.
spiking.
yeah, I think what the Frank is saying, and I agree with him. He's just gonna do the same thing on the 4 hour.
We do have one thing, guys,
Range.
though. We have 410 people in, and we only have 141 likes.
Oh,
What's
really,
that?
guys? You
That's
got
a
the
big
whole
problem.
book club.
We got the book club. We got a new club in here, guys. We got
To
at
be honest, why
least
not?
past those 200s.
We can do that, you know. Have a book, for example, and everybody needs to read that
At the
for
same time.
Yeah, for
And
the whole
after all,
week,
and
Yeah.
talk about
and
it.
just talk it out.
That's a good idea. Let's start that from like after this month. After this month, and let's buy the let's see what first book we're gonna buy, and then we all have 1 week to read it, or 2 weeks.
I think 4 agreements is it's a good
yeah,
one
4
to
agreements
start
is
with.
only
We can start
180
with that
pages.
one.
Everyone can read that, and then we'll read that from next month the 28th. So no, that's not next month. It's the same month, but the 28th, Monday the 28th, and then we'll finish it the 5th, and we're all gonna talk about it on the 5th, and let's see what all the
Or maybe, I mean, give a little bit more time so everybody can like
Deliver,
this-
get delivery.
yeah 2
yeah,
weeks.
and also 2 weeks, because some are also quick readers. Like I'm a pretty slow reader, I would say. Like I like for me it's kind of like I read like 20 pages I say a day, 30. After it
guys,
just like
GG
it gets
GG dropping.
to my head.
Oh damn! Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good thing. Have 2 weeks. It depends on the how big the book is. Like if the book is 300 pages, yeah, then we're gonna have like 1 month for everyone to finish it. And then we're gonna talk about it. But this one is only 180 pages, so I think 2 weeks we have enough time everyone to read it. So if you don't have it yet, order it, and we'll start from the 28th, and we'll finish then, and we're gonna start talking about the book. Everyone here in the Gulag as well on the 12th on a Monday.
It would, but I'm still currently reading my book, and that book's big. It's gonna
Yeah.
take me a while, but I'll buy it
Guys,
afterwards.
the habit of change the habit of being yourself. Joe Dispenza, holy moly. That's sort of like a similar to reality transurfing. Is you know, it's quite a hard read as well because it involves a lot of physics and everything. it's amazing. I would suggest you guys to have a read as well. Joe Dispenza.
Books to buy. Oh, to buy. Oh, wait 1 second. This is dropping. But the thing is, there's not enough range here, man. That's the thing that I'm bothered about right now. That's my thing right now. I don't want to get in until there is a full-on close outside as well. I mean, this might move down, but if you count the range, yeah. Let's say you got in from right here.
Sheesh.
It's dropping, but that doesn't matter.
Holy moly!
But this doesn't work. Oh, there you go.
Gonna spike
Yeah,
up
but there
and
was no
get
entry.
everybody stop loss.
Yeah, it was not really an entry. 50-minute closed above the support level. Yeah, and an impulsive one when all the lows got broken, but you're only running
Yeah, I
around
don't see any
5-6
entry.
pips right now. Then you got this level here to the left at 10 pips. That's gonna be, yeah. Full target's
the
18 pips. That's 100%. That's the target, but
Yeah, it's a very delicate situation on GJ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there was no entry.
Yeah, it seems like the exact same situation from last week where
it just went.
yeah, it just went down and then the next 30-minute wicked down and then closed back in the range. I think
Yeah.
it seems exactly the same. So, you guys talking about a book club or something?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, I have a full-on bookshelf behind me, right behind the prop firms.
It's gonna be done. It's gonna be done.
Oh yeah. Man, I got some books. Let me get some books. Show you guys too. Hold on.
Yeah. Man, I've got a pile of books next to my desk that I need to get through as well.
To be honest, with GJ, I mean the cleanest sells are below like daily low.
Yeah. But the thing is, then you're gonna sell into the daily 415 level right here.
Yeah, but I mean,
your break
if you
instruction.
got confirmation,
Yeah. True.
I mean, then you go into daily. Yeah, I mean, you got more than what's the range? 18, 19 pips. It's reasonable, but here to take an entry here, nah, just 850. It wasn't. It's because it's a 4-hour support as well at this time.
Yeah, that's hard.
But I think the only thing you could have anticipated is the 4-hour flip. But that's it. I don't know how could you get an entry.
Yeah, but yeah, the break of the
15
4-hour
and-
lows at 834 could have been an entry, but the thing is, you're not even at 10 pips. So
Look at the 15. It has no top wick and just went.
I mean, if you're in right now, you're around 7 pips up, but no top wick. Price went down. Price didn't close below. So you could have sold straight into the support area as well.
GU's the same. I don't know if he's still looking at that, Augustus. Just
Ouch.
look at the
Oh, what do you say?
chart. Pound versus dollar. That's going down as well.
Really?
There's no confirmations on it really though.
But yeah,
It's
all of a
just-
sudden it just dropped. But this is showing rejection, so it makes sense. Look at the way it rejected it. Like if this went up the first minute. Yeah, no, it first minute started breaking down. There was an potential entry at this low. Is my mic not working? Nope. Don't think so.
Yeah, I'm looking for buys on GJ actually.
Yo, Ricardo, how are you, man? I don't hear the mic. Oh. Who's that?
He's showing books also.
The
Zen
beginners beginner's mind. Is that good?
Man, beginner's mind.
I got
Yeah.
a whole stack.
Is it? It's good.
These are my favorite trading books. I'll go over them a little bit. Well, actually, one of them is not about trading. Wait, let me get the Zen Mind Beginner. What was it called? Zen Mind Ben Mind Beginners. Nice. I'll keep that on the list.
You have
Yeah.
the cleanup there, Master P.
No, it's perfect. It's perfect.
Oh,
Soon the virtual screen will go back up and everything will be fine. It's all good. I'll scoot those things over to the side.
Man,
and...
what have you done to your prop firm?
My prop firm. Yeah,
Wow.
I need
I'm
to
just
set.
going to little office.
Yeah, no, it's my room. I need to set up my office. I'm moving in to a different location soon.
Ooh,
Yeah, but
why is that?
just a different location. The other one expired.
He
lease
saw too
expired.
many Ferraris. It's
Okay.
like I want to see
Yeah.
Lamborghinis now.
Oh, and let me see some Lamborghinis. Yeah, man. I think 2019 I read some like 40 different books. Yeah,
Wow.
2019. But then I stopped reading because of my issues. I wanted to learn about things I couldn't learn from books. But these are my favorite trading books. Like I got
What
one
they're
of them.
called?
So the one that I started with, was this one, Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom by Van K. Tarp. And this book is really interesting. It talks about systems and just building systems around your trading and things like that. I need to reread this one actually because I think I can get some things out of it. For psychology, I'm a big fan of Brett Steenbarger. So there's like the daily trading coach, and this book talks about how to like be your own trading coach. So it goes over certain things so you can like coach yourself on your mindset. Also, really good one. Then there's this one from also Brett Steenbarger, but it's a really, really thick book. I think it's thicker than the Bible. So I haven't finished this one, but yeah, pretty good one. And then from Mike Bellafiore, One Good Trade is a really good book. It basically talks about, just getting one good trade after another. This guy runs a really big prop firm in New York. I think one of the biggest prop firms. And then, yeah, that's basically it. It's basically it. Got like 3 more that are kind of interesting.
We're coming
So those
down
are
on
my
gold.
recommendations. Ooh, gold is coming down.
Yeah, gold. I'm waiting for the 30 to close under, break
Yeah.
of the low wick, and
There's
then
like 6 minutes
maybe.
left. So. Should be good.
Yeah, it just ranged as I was gone. That's why I left. I'm like, yeah.
But yeah, I would really want to close under 1894.90.
Yeah, me too.
Let me go back to my proprietary trading firm over here. Oh, that's the wrong prop firm.
Man, like Cody.
Yo,
There we
yo.
go. There we go. I'm waiting for it to close.
Hey, what's up, Luke?
Yo, what's up,
Hey,
man?
something just real quick. It's for a friend.
Oh, the
See
chart.
the
Yeah.
chart here. Real
I'll look in a second. We got like 5 minutes left for this this candle to close. So I
by
wanna.
all means, bro. By all means.
I'll take a look at it in a second. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. I'll put it up so I don't forget it.
Ooh.
There we go. No, I'm not in yet. I need to wait for a
Has to
candle to
wait for
close.
us.
Yeah, gold has dropped like GJ, like without confirmation, just wow. But if you look at GU has no stopping breaks. Just keep on falling.
I closed my gold trade like 7 pips. 7 pips in the drawdown.
Oh damn.
I closed it. Yeah. So I'm not gonna hold on. I still have a runner.
5 minute close. Going down without a top wick though right now. So hopefully it comes back up for this 30-minute. Or maybe I'll get in on the 30-minute pullback. Depends on where the 30 minutes gonna close, and then might get in.
I'd love to see this 5-minute close like weak bullish and then break of that low.
Yeah.
That'd be ideal.
Yeah. I do think it's gonna continue down a little bit more. But that's okay. It's creating a range for us to fill in now.
Be careful for 18.
Yeah, honest,
Oh, it's going. It's off to the
I wanted to
races.
take the buys on the 5-minute close because it broke the low wick and it closed below. But my bloody MacBook battery died.
Yeah.
Mistake. Oh my god.
They're supposed to have really good batteries, those MacBooks.
I
Yeah.
think it's coming right back up.
Yeah,
And that's going
just
to be
wait
Gucci.
for the close, boys. No fear of missing out. If it goes, it goes. There is no right confirmation for you other than breaking the low of the, what was it? Probably, yeah. It already broke the previous 4-hour low, so wait for the pullback soon. New candle open, pull back to at least 95, and then continue moving down. Fill the wick, then continue moving further down. Don't have to be in anything, guys. What's your stop loss looking like if it happens? Depends on how price moves and what the next 5 minutes gonna do. So this 5 minute, how it's gonna close. I'd rather, as Master P said, have it to close bullish. The 5 minute candle. And then make a top wick on the next one, and then continue moving down. So it's especially the 30 minute candle, making the top wick. Got a feeling trading books. Got a lot of trading books in the PDF. Yeah, I don't really like to you know, read off of a screen.
Yeah, me neither. I'm a big fan of holding books.
Yeah. I do suggest this close to be below 194.30, because that's his zone to the left right here. I've marked up. The range right here.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm a big fan of this trade for me. I might
Same.
just wait to see what New York has to offer.
The thing is, I'm not a big fan of selling. Like, trust right now.
Oh yeah, with the higher.
Nah, bro, don't do that. Yeah.
For me, it's the selling thing. I'm more looking into buys right now. Same situation. We're going up. We're in a higher time frame. We're pushing up. Oh my god.
Oh dear.
Yeah, sorry. That's
Is that the sliding doors things?
Yeah, they first did above, and now they're doing below.
Oh shit.
But they were ramming it in. I might close my window for a second because this is getting out of hand. There we go. It's less loud now.
Actually, I'm gonna move to my consultation room over here.
Baba boy. But this is why you wait for a candle to close, guys. Just wait for the candle to close. No fear of missing out. Just relax. Take it easy. I know it moved a couple pips down, but how much was it at the end of the day, you know? Like, just 10 pips.
Ja, ik had toch zelfs...
I'd rather wait for the 30-minute candle. That guy, can you stop?
So Luke, look at last Friday.
On what time frame?
Example. See last Friday where it hooked down, and see that one spike all the way down at the bottom?
This one.
Yes. Yeah. This is why you wait for stuff to close.
Yeah. Yeah. Not always. Like, I don't always wait for stuff to close, but on situations like this, you're in an uptrend, you're gonna try and impulsively enter in a downtrend. Like, I don't know about that. Turns out we have 500 people in. Damn.
Oh, nice. It's quite big for
London session.
London. Yeah, for London, it's more quiet.
Okay, we have a close. I don't have a top wick yet. 5 minute did close bullish. So I want to see a top wick.
Somebody has noises.
Yeah, me, man. This is so annoying.
It's okay.
We need to see a top wick first before we're gonna enter, because the top wick is pretty much gonna be my my stop loss. That's the thing.
And then you're looking to break its own low, or?
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
But I am gonna take this on a lower risk, because what I said before, I'm not a fan of selling bull right now. It's allowed to break the previous 5 minute high to make a deeper pullback up, because this 30-minute candle is actually pretty big. So it makes sense for price to pull back up towards like 95, 11.
Oh, maybe be looking for buys if it closes back on the range with this 15.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Because then it's on top of this level. I might not even sell, to be honest with you.
Sells for me is like how the
It's
1
really
hour
tricky for
came.
me.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
how these 1 hours came down.
But look at this, right? Look at this. If I want to draw on this one.
You know, it doesn't give you that comfort.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
trade?
the comfort. But look at the way it moved, right? We had the initial up move right here. We had the move back down. That was creating the new support, the higher low. We had the new move up, the higher high. We had the new move back down, the higher low, and that's especially directly above the previous higher high. So it doesn't make sense to sell into the previous higher high, right? Because what should price do above the previous higher high is create a new higher low. So yeah, I'm not gonna take sells. I'm out of sells. Sells are gonna be taken from me.
It
I'm gonna
depends.
be
We're
looking at
also looking
buys.
at a 50% retracement from that bottom to the top.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, if it really retraces and rejects again and breaks its own low, then I
Yeah.
might sell. But you really gotta know what you're doing at this moment.
But actually looking at buys, the range would be way too small. I think I'm just going to call it no trading day.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit this one out as well, the gold one.
I mean,
Does make me feel
TJ
comfortable.
range way too small.
It-
Close right here. Stop loss is
Yeah.
going to be 20 pips above the 30-minute high. First target is going to be 6 pips. And then, yeah, lowest target is going to be 15. But
GJ is really tricky because you selling into daily and 4-hour support,
yeah,
and you don't want to do that.
I mean, it should retest the lows right here of 155, 640. But yeah, it's a
He
delicate
might
situation.
reject 800 on the 4-hour. That's the thing. If he rejects 800 on the 4-hour, it just might come back again into 155.
Yeah.
Just to range for the whole day today. As that's what I said in the beginning. Because looking at the 4 hours, it's just like we're just printing side by side.
Yep. Henry, smash that like button. You know the vibe. Luke providing that knowledge. Pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Yeah, guys, pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers.
And make sure to subscribe as well. We're going to do the New York stream in about a few hours. It's going to be at 12:30 Central European time, so tune in.
Yeah, that's gonna be 6:30 EST, so normal time for the sessions, just like yesterday. Well,
Yes,
that
sir.
reminded me yesterday. Could be all Gucci.
Yeah, maybe you have some charts now. Don't know.
It's looking okay. It's coming back down, but still, it's like there's some things that I don't like, and that's selling into a higher high. Like, and that's why I said I want to see price close below 94.30, because that's the level of the previous higher high right here to the left. Is this zone, this box. Because if it closed back inside there, we're back inside this range again. So this range that you see over here. And that was going to be the range where you're going to be targeting for sells. So it's a delicate situation. What I might do, what could be an option if this 15-minute candle closes bullish and the next one starts breaking the low.
Could be. Yeah, because like you said, the higher time frames are bullish, and when the higher time frames are doing that pullback on the lower time frame, you see that bearish market structure, and that kind of entices you to take those to take sells, but they turn out to be really, really tricky.
And understand the 4-hour is bearish. I understand that. We're not fully at support yet. We could go deeper down to 91.80. Understand that, but if you look in the 1-hour time frame, we are already at that top level right here.
Yeah, it's tricky.
Right? So I'm just questioning myself. There's a probability, 100%. But... Good to see the numbers, YouTube numbers rising. When did you start the channel? Like 3 months ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I just had that deja vu moment.
Ethereum
I had it this morning
collapsed.
too.
What's going on with the crypto market, bro?
Yes, it's melting, innit?
I keep thinking I'm buying lows and it just keeps going down.
Wait, you're gonna blow your account, bro.
Oh, I'm not.
Full
I'm doing
margin
it
call.
I'm doing long term. It's just classic, not like trading it on a terminal. Just like, you know, bit favo and, you know.
You buying the dips, but it keeps on
I-
dipping.
But it keeps dipping. You know
I
what I
think it's
mean?
gonna drop more.
Yeah. I know the meme.
Jesus.
Very
What
nice.
Where's Bitcoin at? Is it at 1600 yet? Oh no, 32. Damn. If it comes to 1600, I'm buy the dip.
What?
Like 20k to 60.
Gold's going down.
Gold. Oh,
Oh. Shit, it's going down, but I'm on the Bitcoin chart now.
paper trade. Paper trade sells
Wait.
on a 5 minute stop loss above 5 minute candle. But that's paper trade, guys.
This is your entry right here because it's engulfed the previous. But
Yeah.
I'm not taking it. I'm looking for buys.
Yeah, I'm not taking as well. I'm just paper trading. If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. Yeah.
10 lot paper trade over here.
10 lot.
You know the drill.
Mm.
If it rejects this support, I'm buying on a 5 minute.
I mean, what could possibly happen is this 30-minute fill in the previous 30-minute low.
Yep.
That's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I have to be really careful because it's almost back at my original entry. Well,
Yeah.
Are you in, Luke?
He's in.
Yeah. But I'm in with a very,
I
very
heard it on
small
the hesitation. He was like, yeah.
Just give me the pips.
But I'm in with a very, very small position. I'm up 5 pips right now. Around that. And I like very, very small. Like I wouldn't probably even make profit on this one. I closed the previous positions off because I was like, yeah, this is dangerous. I opened the full lot. But
you still got room to go, bro.
Oh yeah, I know.
1892, 150-ish area.
Yeah, depends. If we come back to my entry, I'll close off 50%.
9 pips on my paper trade.
Nice.
Wait, what's your entry on your paper trade?
It was literally as we broke through 5 minute low.
9 pips? What? I'm in the same entry. My entry is 94.07.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the MT5 and just saying to me that they moved 9.2. So I mean with the spread, so it would be 8 or something.
I close off. I'm out.
Yeah, I'm breaking.
Break
I'm
even.
out as well. Yeah.
Out at break even. Not playing around that.
Right back
I went
down.
up. I went up some good profits. So.
Yeah. Imagine this 15 close back in the range.
Yeah, it was okay. I'm at a break even.
Yeah, this was a pretty good trade. Those are.
It was delicate, man. Because the thing is, I went down like some good amount of.
I think it's still gonna go down because the way it opened, but.
I was like 8 pips into profit. I'm not gonna let my position. Well, my closures got me. My close slipped me a little bit, like 1 point. 1.5 pips, but I'm pretty much out of break even.
Yeah, this pattern over here
I went-
works extremely well. Trending market.
Yeah.
But it's just.
Message again?
No, I didn't pick anything today. Not yet.
I was 8.8 pips into profit, so I'm definitely not gonna let my position run into drawdown.
Yeah, no. And it's good you
Like-
closed it, even though the next 5 minute opened with no bottom wick. What I do is sometimes I'm like, okay, it has no bottom wick, I'm just gonna leave it running because probability.
I wasn't. First of all, I wasn't a fan of selling. Second of all, my target, it was an okay target, but it was selling against the trend. So if it goes down now, I really don't give a shit.
Yeah.
I mean, looking at the 4-hour look, it makes sense to go to 1892.
Yeah, 91, 92. Yeah. I was looking at that
yeah.
too. But the thing is, if I am 8 pips into profit, 8 pips into profit, I am not letting my position go into drawdown. You gotta understand that. And if it goes back down again, I don't give a shit, to be honest with you.
Yeah, 100%, man.
Pretty much out at 1 pip. Slipped
I mean,
me.
that's the management of it, right?
Yeah. Because
We all
the thing
manage
is,
differently.
you expect price to go down, right? And yeah, the new 5 minute open, you expect it to retest this level. You could hold in that level, but I would have holded it if I didn't go that deep into drawdown, into a winning position, right?
Profit.
Into profit, yeah. So pretty much, yeah. What you can see, I went like 8 pips into profit, not playing around with that. Yeah, it might go down. I'll retest it very, very nicely, just above my break-even level. So it should continue moving down, but I don't want to be in it at that moment because I wasn't a fan of selling already. So, no. Like the probability of the sells was very high, 100%. But the way it's gonna move, I don't know about it yet. Like if it breaks the 5 minute low right here, you should continue moving down to 91, and then you have a pretty good trade. If I stayed in, let's say if I only had like a 21 pip target though, so, and my normal targets are around 20 pips, but then at that moment I also look to leave my runner running. And the thing is, if you go down that deep, you just don't want price to come back up anymore, right? Because at the end of the day, it was an impulsive entry. Like if this was a full-on structured entry on the 30-minute time frame, you can accept some drawdown. At impulsive entries, what this candle could have done, right? This 5 minute candle, this 5 minute retracement could have done this. I'll annotate it. I've seen this happen over and over and over again. So it could have done this.
Yeah, for real, trust.
So you want to manage your positions, right? Manage your positions. Don't let anything, slip you out because, but I think it's going to retest now, and it retests all the way up, and your stop loss is over here because that's where my stop loss is at, and you're going to be all fucked up, Yeah, but it's true though. People leave everything running, and well, you have to manage your position. You have to manage your risk. Yeah, you could have closed 50%. I understand that, but this is non-structured entry. If 30-minute candle, if I had a nice 30-minute candle closure, and I would have acted upon the closure itself, if it was below that 1894.30 level, yeah, then you could accept some drawdown, 100%. But for me, just a normal entry based on an impulsive entry, no drawdown is accepted. Because impulsive entries can
yes, sir. Impulsive
bite
entries
you.
is, yeah,
They can bite you really hard.
Honestly, if on
Especially on
impulsive
gold.
entry, like you in profits like 7-5 pips, I just try to manage as much as possible.
Yeah, it's break-even level. 7-8 pips for me is always break-even level. Break-even. There's not. Also talking about the previous concept I had, right? If you go 8 pips into profit, in my opinion, you have to secure the 8 pips, and not by securing the position. So not by taking your position out, but securing your stop loss.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that you only have a 2 pip stop left, rather than a 10 pip stop. Let's say if it was based on a 10 pip risk.
Yeah.
This is pretty funny in the gulag. Somebody says like, "Hello, I am entering a sell for correction with cautions." And then we got somebody else. He's like, "In what, Alex? Let's do it together."
I see it.
It's
Yeah,
pretty
those
funny.
people are crazy, bro.
Pretty funny.
They think they're gonna push the market down together.
He's like, "Let's go."
Let's see.
Man, what a London session today. We had a lot of people, isn't it? Nearly 500.
More than 500. We had at top we had 507 or something. It's like that. I mean, it's,
Hey, Gual is wearing
A hoodie.
I was gonna say a shirt.
need to find.
Yeah, I'm about to take it off though. It's starting to get hot.
Oh shit!
But I'll turn my mic, I'll turn my camera off if that happens. You know.
Yeah, took a quick sell and didn't call it out because I thought it was too dangerous to call out.
I did call it out.
Oh yeah, you did. But
Paper trade.
paper trade, so that's
It's
nothing.
still a call, you know.
Yeah, true. But no
I'm
one,
joking.
no one should be taking a paper trade.
Nah, I mean, it made sense. It made complete sense. We closed below. We then retested that 95 zone to push back down. But it seems like it has no power to go down.
Yeah.
And because the trend is bullish.
GA was a very nice sell opportunity right here below the previous 4-hour bullish low. Someone asked me to look at GA. This was a very good opportunity. I don't trade GA, so I pretty much missed it.
Yeah, but GA is nasty in the 30-minute. Look at the wick rejections.
Yeah, true, but the candle close right here could have been your entry.
100%.
Cool. Yeah, gold is what it is. I don't think it's gonna move cleanly as well. You see the way it moved. I was out with like 1 point something pips, 1.3 pips, 1.4 pips, because it slipped. It went back up, and it went back up so fast that I had to close as fast as possible. So was closed out
Yeah.
pretty much break even, but slipped a little bit. Doesn't really matter.
This 4 hour can exactly do like we were saying, like that on
Yeah.
the same 4 hours yesterday. If you look, I mean,
Yeah.
it's a little bit bigger, but I wouldn't be surprised if it does the same scenario.
New York is gonna show buys 100%.
Now, New York will probably do the same thing, like just like not show anything, and NYSE will do the
Yeah,
move.
that way, yeah, 100%.
Potentially. What I'm thinking though is on the daily time frame, it is starting to look like it's creating a top. So maybe the next support formed on the 4-hour might just be a support that will break, and then we can come down for the rest of the week or something. But who knows? We'll have to take it by the ear.
I mean, this could be like a daily bearish candle for it to just like have a little pause, and after maybe we can see the push maybe starting tomorrow too. A lot of scenarios are possible.
Yeah, pretty
But
good chart. Makes sense.
But I don't think, like looking at the weekly, that it's going to go back down. I think we can only go up from here. At least if we break the resistance, I mean, then it's going to fly on the weekly. Like that's 1903.
Yeah, I'll come to New York session to see what's about.
Oh, nice.
But first of all, I'm gonna take a nap.
Yeah, sensible.
Before that, it's like you want to go to sleep at 10, and you do everything to go to sleep at 10, but then you eventually end up going to sleep at 12 for some reason.
Discipline.
You know, it's the most easy thing, but it looks like the most easy thing, but it's really hard. That's always so funny.
Discipline for me is to wake up at 10 to 6, you know, before 4-hour candle closes and the new one opens, and like I do that without a problem. I wake up and this and that, but just to go to sleep on time, sometimes it's a struggle, because you'd start talking to your missus and this and that, and you see, oh, the hour has passed. It's like, come on, man, really? I wanted to go to sleep at 10.
Yeah, talking,
That's pretty good.
to get those 8 hours. So right now,
Talking,
I need a nap.
Talking, nah, just messing.
Talking, you know.
Damn, that pullback. Oh, yeah, makes sense, man.
Hey, Luke, sorry, that wasn't meant for the AU. That was strictly meant supposed to be for gold. It was for a friend for yesterday.
I see both
It wasn't supposed to
situation.
send in both charts.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem, no problem. No problem. I mean, it's good to view them. This one it is, son. Just this one. Yeah, it looks pretty good, man. I think, this, yeah, I don't know if we took the entry, but it looks pretty good.
The thing is on GG right now, we broke out of the Asian range, right? Look, if you can just pop on GG.
Yeah, sure. What time frame?
Yeah, so this is fine. So basically, we broke out of the Asian range right now, which was 844 on your chart. If we sort of form resistance anything below 875, we got a sensible play to come into the daily lows to fill the daily wick. But we need to form a strong resistance before we do that. If we don't, I see GG coming back again into 155s and just range throughout the whole day.
Yeah, I think this 4 hour is going to be important, like you said. If it closes at least under that support, that's 850, that's already good.
To be honest, it's pretty much the same situation as gold right now. If you pretty much look, same situation. You see, let me annotate this for a second.
I want this daily candle on GG to close bullish.
Here we have the first bullish move on GJ. The second move is the first bearish move. It's the first bearish move. And we have the second push up on the bullish move, right? Then we have the, what's that? Then we have the second move down on the bearish move. That's above this level, retesting it, right? On all the time frames.
You're annotating gold, bro.
Yeah, but that's why I'm saying gold and GJ look the same. Look at this. I only have to do this. See?
The triangles match.
Exactly. Everything matches. No joke. You understand?
No, obviously. Like
so
the GG trend is bullish, like even on daily.
We're going bullish.
We just probably came back again to retest the zone, but if we close weak bearish, man.
The thing is we already broke the previous weekly lows. So
yeah, we broke it the first day yesterday.
Yeah, but still, I mean, when you want it to go up, you would prefer it not to break and just like start making it move back up.
Yeah, but for example, this whole 154 to 50 and 154 800 is the rejection zone on a weekly, sorry. So we just might come into that presence before we might push up for the quarterly close. So, you know, we might be trading gold this week, not GJ.
For me personally, like looking what it's doing now, like I wouldn't be surprised if like this weekly closes bearish again and next week maybe does a push back up.
Does or doesn't?
Does like this week bearish and next week maybe bullish, to then go and retest the 155s.
Yeah, 156. Yeah,
Yeah, 156. Yeah.
Yeah, because right now we're at the daily support as well as in the sort of like daily supply zone. And yeah, I mean it's really tricky to sell. We can see that this London session has no volume. It dropped with the open of the London session. Yeah. But it didn't even, it dropped, 10 pips. 10 pips.
I think, reasonable sales would be, like you said, below that 4 hour support. Like
if we can form resistance, it would be sensible.
Honestly, if this 4 hour closes like this below that 4 hour support to the very close left at, 154 800, then I think we can fill that daily wick.
You're very quiet, man.
Oh, still quiet?
Better.
Yeah,
okay, yeah. Basically, if this 4 hour just closes below that 4 hour to the support to the very near left at 154 800, then I think New York volume is gonna have a very nice move.
Yeah, for some reason your mic just is 10 times quieter than normal.
Oh, what? I don't know.
Yeah, now it's good.
Oh.
Talk again?
Let's see. How about now?
Perfetto.
Yeah, it's good now.
Perfetto. Okay, perfect.
Grazie mille. Gold is going down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see the 5-minute structure
Whoa.
forming.
My stream crashed for a second, I think. All of
Oh,
a sudden, yeah.
it's okay now.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good now. It crashed for a second. Like, interesting. Go to sleep 4 a.m. in Toronto. Damn. Hopefully I'll wake up for New York session. Damn, man's up midnight. Compare AU to gold. Do they look similar to you? Look, AU. Yeah, it's an uptrend, but looks like volume is dying down. Because if you see what's happening, you see the distance in those higher highs is getting smaller, smaller. Now we have one big one, but smaller, smaller, and smaller, and you see that the higher lows are getting closer to each other, so it's coming back in sort of a ranging type of session soon. So, but
Luke, there's your sales on gold.
wait 1 second. Yeah, it's an uptrend, but it's structure-wise not really the same though.
If you would have held, you would spec TP just now.
I'm not gonna hold the impulsive entry.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it would have been what would have been. My entry was like right here. 14 pips. Yeah, that's nothing. What up? Just seeing that we are in the cusp of 9K subs. Loving it. Yeah, man, we're coming close. This Master P is hitting the 9K today, probably in New York.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I think so.
We're now on. We're on 8,924.
And look at GJ. Oh boy.
What's GJ doing?
Come back in the range.
Really?
Yeah, like
Oh.
maybe not, but
When they ask about how the volume is on the London session, sometimes good, sometimes maybe bad.
Yeah.
I think more often bad than good.
Whoa, 3K subs since the morning? No. No, 3K. We had 8.87 this morning. So we didn't grow a lot this morning. So yeah, like 50, 60. Yeah. DJ doing the fake out.
Yeah, exactly the
That's
same
Luke.
situation as last week.
Go to 1.
Yeah, 100% master. But the thing is, if we
Whoa.
form a resistance, we're definitely gonna go down.
True.
But you want a strong resistance below that level.
True. Is the sometimes good,
Yeah.
sometimes bad.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Gattuso.
I don't know if
Gattuso is
YouTube
the
is gonna
guy.
punish me for that one, but it was good. I
It
don't
was
mind.
only 5%.
Punish me.
Gattuso is a G.
Jim360, don't forget to like the stream. So YouTube recommends it to many more people. Yes. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Come on. The rookie numbers, so we have more than 500 people in.
Yeah, we got
I think it was a
those-
very good session today, to be honest. We didn't really take a trade. I took one break-even trade. But this session, there was a lot of value about books and about all the things we're gonna do.
100%.
I think it was a very good session, 100%. Use this video.
It's just, you know, you the vibe, you know? It's just the vibe.
Yeah. Like the stream, guys. But yeah.
Go enjoy the vibes.
You know it. Yeah, we created the book club. Luke reads books. No, but for real, we're gonna do that thing. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So
What's the specifications of this book club?
Okay, so what we're gonna do is from next month, we're gonna do choose a book, and that book is gonna be the first book is gonna be the 4 agreements, and Michelle actually recommended it to us.
Okay.
So it's not a big book; it's only 180 pages. So we're gonna read that for 2 weeks. So everyone buy the book, and then we're gonna start this book maybe the 21st or next month. So maybe like the 28th, and then we finish it the 12th. So everyone has 2 weeks to finish it, and then we're gonna discuss it on the stream. Also, everyone in the chat. And everyone in the live stream itself, buy the book, read it, so we can all discuss about the book and share our thoughts and grow together. So
I think that's grow together, guys.
Yeah, so I
think you should make that like an open Zoom session so people can voice their opinions instead of type it. If that makes sense.
It could do, but not everyone fits in. If we only have
just like when it's full, but because someone trying to voice their opinions, they're typing, that'll be messed up.
Yeah, true. Full is dropping down to the level. No, at that 4-hour level.
Out.
At the 4 level, if it jumps through, it's gonna fly down back to support right here.
The thing is, GJ 154,930. It's a monthly resistance, so it's really tricky level we at now.
It's going downtown.
Wait, say that again. On GJ monthly.
Monthly resistance is 154,930.
Yeah, like 25. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a monthly resistance there. So it's really tricky level.
Yeah, I don't even have that marked up because we broke it, and I mean that's like I don't know. It's just for me, it's like having too many lines and just it makes me overthink everything then. But I can understand why you say that.
Yeah, gold.
I mean, it's just sort of for me to understand if market is sort of like rejecting.
Oh shit! Yeah, this is gonna go downtown. Just broke through the level, back into that zone.
Yeah, I closed my runners.
Nice.
From 1883. I closed that shit.
Yeah, I'm all Gucci. No FOMO. I don't give a shit.
My entry was
like 1994.7. I don't mind. Temp. Nice. Yeah, the move. I wasn't a fan of sells anyways, so.
Damn, I left money on the table like crazy. Should have just took TP.
But now,
guys, if you look on daily on gold, right?
Looks like it's gonna create a resistance.
So yesterday's daily closed barely with the top wick. Then we come into this vicinity of rejection area, sort of that we broke through that daily support resistance, whatever how you want to call it. Then we have a long tail coming up from the bottom side to the top. So we had a lot of selling pressure yesterday as well from the open candle, the same as the candle body. So I wouldn't be even surprised that today's candle is going to be like, we're going to create that resistance for us to come down to 1867, maybe 1870 before we push to a new highs. Because weekly still got, time, sort of space to go down.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It kind of looks like it's topping out in a way on the higher time frames.
Yeah, if you look on the daily, it just makes sense. We're going to create that, a little lower low, lower high, then we come back to retest that low before we push further up.
True.
Because I don't think we're going to fill the whole wick of the weekly candle, but as long we might come back down to the daily support because it's reasonable. If we're respecting 1900s, it's really reasonable for the daily to just come back down, because we need to understand the month just started. Like, this is the only second week of the month.
Yeah.
And you expecting already straight away to push?
Hello, sir. Do we sell when they're in the price? No. That was a target for sales. Nice. Willem is in 30 pips. Very nice.
Yeah, I personally, I don't even see an entry, like a safe kind of good entry.
Yeah,
Besides maybe the trades you took, but
for me the problem was that I just went into profit, and I don't want to really drop those profits away after being in good profits. No. I'd rather get out at break even than get slammed by gold, because gold can do the opposite really quickly. Or really try to go, oh yeah, makes sense. But better than break even than a loss, right? So still counted. That's really good for me, man. Doesn't matter if you take 30 pips later, because then now you learn from it, right? Now you're like, okay, well, later today I'm gonna learn from what I did today too. Like, I'm gonna look and how could I have had just a tighter stop loss without taking me out, you know? Because eventually price went back up. Like, how much is that? This level. For me, price went up only 3 pips into drawdown again before doing this 40 pip drop. So stops above my usual stops would have saved me, but that doesn't mean that managing risk is not important. So next time I could say, like, okay, next time I'm gonna close 75% of the position and leave the 25% running until I see something happening. And if that hits break even, if that hits stop loss, it is what it is, right? But you just want to be there managing risk, managing what's coming against you at that moment, you know. Yeah, I think that depends on the person itself, Ben, because we actually enjoy the talks. That's what this channel is about. It's about really providing value, but also providing a vibe and learning all together. It's not just about trading; it's also about self-helping, self-learning, and also mindfulness, psychology. And everyone has different ideas at the end of the day, Ben. Like, if you look at all other channels as well, there are all other YouTube channels that provide value and provide sessions. Every single person in there has different ideas. And the nice part is about that is that people share their ideas, and for some people it's hard to filter the ideas, but sharing the ideas is one of the most beautiful things you can have, to be honest with you, because you can learn from the other person sharing the idea. And we're focused on ourselves, and that's the difference between a lot of channels, like most channels and our channels, that we're focused on ourselves. We don't gossip, we don't talk about other people. We're here to learn. We're here to learn every single day. Can I share a Forex motivational video? Yeah, tell me what it's called and I'll put it up. But that's what we're focused on, man. So I understand that you're confused a little bit sometimes, but try and filter it a little bit more, and then you understand. Yeah, I think it was a pretty good session though. Master P is gonna do the New York sessions today. I won't be doing them, but they're gonna be on my channel right here. So 6:30 EST or 12:30 CET time, normal times when the normal New York sessions start. So make sure you are there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Probably some gold situations are coming into play at that moment. So make sure you sign in at that session. Gonna be a lot of fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna end this session by this one. We've been streaming for nearly 2 hours, 3 hours. I mean, 20 minutes left for 3 hours. And I think it was a very educational session. If you want to rewind some stuff and learn from the things we said, or learn from the books, and buy the books that we mentioned, just rewind this video. And thank you for tuning in. And we'll see you on the New York session. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning, obviously.
Yeah.
So thank you guys.
Take
Don't forget
it
to like
easy,
and subscribe.
We'll see you
We're
in
about in yeah. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, we'll just see you in New York in a couple hours, guys.
Perfect. And don't forget to subscribe because the 9K is coming in close, guys. 9K is coming in very, very, very close. See you guys.
Take care, YouTube.